Welcome to Blatek Industries, your premier partner in cutting-edge ultrasonic transducer technology. Founded in 1979, Blatek has grown from its early beginnings to become a leader in the design and manufacture of custom medical and non-destructive testing, ultrasonic transducers, and piezoelectric composites. Our commitment to innovation and quality has driven us to continuously expand our capabilities and refine our technologies. Under Dr. Geng's direction, our team of experts in acoustics, engineering, and materials science work closely with clients to develop solutions that meet their specific needs. From high-intensity focused ultrasound devices and neural stimulators to Doppler and catheter probes, our products are engineered for precision and performance. Blatek serves a diverse range of industries, including medical, industrial, research, and the piezo composite sector. Our state-of-the-art machine shop, materials processing capabilities, and advanced assembly techniques ensure that every product meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Research and development are at the heart of Blatek. Our dedicated R&D team continually pushes the boundaries of what's possible, ensuring we stay ahead of the curve and deliver the latest advancements in ultrasonic technology. At Blatek, we pride ourselves on our collaborative approach. We work hand in hand with our clients from concept to production and from production to end of life, ensuring that every solution is tailored to their unique requirements. Blatek Industries, where innovation meets excellence.